everyone, we're here at HGreg Lux, and if you have life goals, then you want to be like Mr. Goals. We're so honored to have you be one of our top clients here at HGreg Lux. Thank you for doing this video with us. He has number 23 of one of the most sought out Rolls Royce, the all-new all-electric Spectre. That's right now, right here behind us, and it is spec'd so perfectly. So tell us, Michael, why did you spec it this way? How long ago did you start putting in your order?
It started about 3 years ago. It was under concept. They're bringing it to production. This, again, 3 years ago. They were having limited build. You couldn't have the bespoke. You couldn't. There's a lot of options right now. They have a $20,000 package that you got to take with the car. So your limit build is kind of very limited.
Yeah.
However, the only way you could do it is you go to Goodwood, England. You schedule your tour.
So you went all the way to England.
If you ever have the opportunity to go to the factory, please do yourself a favor and go, because it's an amazing experience. It's like Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory.
But with cars.
It's just really strange. The floors are immaculate. Everything's immaculate on it.